and welcome. I'm Christopher with CK Customs PA. I'm also an admin on the Facebook group Cricut Help Desk. Today we're going to be looking at the WalaPress Craft Heat Press. It has a 12 by 10 platen. Its maximum temperature is 392 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the perfect craft press for getting into pressing heat transfer vinyl, sublimation, or adding a press for on-the-go pressing when you're at events. So the WalaPress Craft Heat Press has a unique function. It has a vibration function that you can enable when you're pressing. This allows you to apply more pressure when you're pressing your HTV. In the box, we got our heat press. It came with the cradle for the press, came with a pressing pad, came with the instruction sheet, which goes through all the settings. We're going to go ahead and power this up, get it up to temperature, because I have something we're going to press. So push and hold the button for 5 seconds. Comes right on. So it's set for Celsius right off the bat. So we push and hold, plus and minus together, kicks it over to Fahrenheit. So per our instructions here, you hit the little gear. There is our temperature. So seize your vinyl. We're going to go down to 315. And then our time, set that for 15 seconds. It's already heating up, so you don't want to touch the platen while it's heating or at any time while it's on and hot. But we'll let that sit there and get temperature. I double checked my temperature on my Easy Weed. It's 305 for just regular Easy Weed. So I can cruise just a little bit up beyond it, but we're good. Go ahead and pre-press the shirt. And with any dark shirt or garment, the blues and the blacks blues and reds, really common with them. They'll turn dark. That darkness will go away as soon as you. Okay, we press the power button to get our counter going. And then for vibration, it's just the plus or the minus. Power it off. Press and hold. There we go. A nice, good adhesion. You can see a little bit of fabric texture through the vinyl. We hope you enjoyed our review of the WalaPress Craft Heat Press. If you're interested in it, we have a link in the description below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Happy crafting!